Welcome to Veterinary Physiology lecture. It is me, Simpson Soren. Today we will learn the sexual orientation. So what do I mean by sexual orientation or sexual differentiation? I mean the development of genital tubular system in male and female and development of external genitalia in male and female. So what are the external genitalia? From where it is arise? In male it is developed from the Wolffian duct and give rise to epididymis and vas deferens. In female, it is developed from the Mullerian duct. It gives rise to oviduct, uterus, cervix. An external genitalia in male, there is scrotum and penis. And female, labia, vulva, clitoris. Clitoris is counterpart of penis and labia is counterpart of scrotum. So let us begin. How it starts and who directs the development of genital tubular system or external genitalia? It is gonad. So in male, testis and female ovary. But ovary doesn't play a very significant role for the development of a tubular system, but testis it play a very significant role for the development of tubular genital system. Because testis, the Leydig cell of the testis, it produces androgen, and androgen is the significant hormone that is play very important role for the development of tubular system. And in the absence of androgen, the Mullerian duct will develop. So let us discuss these things in detail. So here we will discuss about the three very important events. Anti-mullerian hormone, its function, then importance of 5-alpha reductase, what is its important role for development of tubular system, then aromatizations. So these three events or three important components and their rules we will discuss to understand the development of genital tubular system. So first let us discuss about the anti-mullerian hormone. Who produces the anti-mullerian hormone? It is Sertoli cell in male. And the important function of anti-mullerian hormone that it is inhibit the Mullerian duct. It inhibits the Mullerian duct. So if the Mullerian duct is inhibited, we may think that Wolffian duct will develop automatically, but actually it is not so. Wolffian ducts required extra stimulation or required androgen for the development. Without androgen, Wolffian duct will not develop, even though you can inhibit the Mullerian duct. So Wolffian duct required androgen for their development. So 5-alpha reductase. What is the importance of 5-alpha reductase? It converts the androgen or testosterone. When I talk about androgen, when I tell androgen, I mean testosterone. When the testosterone is converted to more potent testosterone, that is dihydrotestosterone, and that is necessary for the development of Wolffian duct. The cell of the Wolffian duct should contain 5-alpha reductase so that the testosterone can be converted to more potent testosterone for the Wolffian duct development. And not only that, the dihydrotestosterone also responsible for masculinization in male. So this two function is very important for the maleness. And this more potent testosterone also responsible for the development of external genitalia. So that is penis, scrotum. So this 5-alpha reductase play a very significant role to convert the testosterone into more potent testosterone in the cells so that it can give rise to maleness or the Wolffian duct development or the masculinization or external genitalia development. So let us discuss about the aromatization. Aromatization is the process where androgen is converted to estrogen, and the enzyme it is required for the conversion it is aromatase. So this aromatization occurred in the neuronal tissue. Aromatization occurs also in other tissue, but for the developing fetus, when the androgen is converted to estrogen by the aromatase activity in the neuronal tissue of hypothalamus, then hypothalamus will organize or know that the developing fetus is the male one. If this process will not occur in the hypothalamus, then hypothalamus will think that the developing fetus is the female fetus. So this process, aromatization process, must occur in the hypothalamus to inform the hypothalamus that the developing fetus is the male one. And when the hypothalamus is organized themselves that developing fetus is the male one, then it also helps or stimulates some other cells which are essential for maleness or characteristics of maleness. So that is very important, aromatizations, which must occur in the hypothalamus in the developing fetus, so that hypothalamus organize themselves that the developing fetus is the male fetus. We have learned that gonad, it directs the development of tubular genital system, especially the testes which produce the androgen and anti-mullerian hormone. And these two hormone is very important, especially the androgen. An anti-mullerian hormone, it prevents the development of Mullerian duct. Androgen, it stimulates the development of Wolffian duct. But if the developing fetus is the female fetus, then the gonad will be ovary. And ovary will not produce androgen. So Mullerian duct will develop automatically. But ovary produce estrogen. That estrogen is necessary for secondary sexual characteristics in the female. So for the development of female genital system, it is in the absence of androgen. Because the gonad is ovary will not produce androgen. So when the androgen is not there in the developing fetus, Wolffian duct will not develop because the gonad is ovary. When the Wolffian duct will not develop, the Mullerian duct will develop automatically. For the development of Mullerian duct, the female system doesn't require special stimulation for the development of Mullerian duct. When the Wolffian duct is prevented, when the androgen is not there, Mullerian duct will develop automatically. For the development of female tubular genital system, there must be absence of androgen. Then Mullerian duct will develop automatically. Here we have learned three things, or I will summarize in 3 points. First is presence of androgen for the development of male genital tubular system and external genitalia. But in case of female, absence of androgen, the Mullerian duct will automatically develop and the external genitalia will develop in the absence of androgen. The aromatization, the gonad have to inform the hypothalamus that the developing fetus is the male or female. If it is male, then aromatization must occur in the hypothalamus. If it is female, then there will not be androgen, developing fetus will not produce the androgen. So aromatization doesn't occur. So hypothalamus will automatically sense that the developing fetus is the female one. So these are the 3 important points for the development of tubular system in male and female system. So thank you for watching my videos. If you have any queries, mail me simpson.soren@aau.ac.in. Thank you.